So I'm not really sure what's going on here. This is on York Road, and I just happened to be riding by just north of Stevenson Lane. And there's like 3 food trucks, a couple stands. So that was pit beef. This is something else. Elevated kitchen. Oh, main squeeze. Cool, cool. I'm not sure. And this looks like something else. I have no clue. Don't know what they're going. Crossroads Bistro. I don't know what the hell. I can't see. It was super bright. Nothing. Looks like wraps and burgers and stuff. And this over here looks like Baltimore's best. Oh, Ruben's always good. I mean, I don't know, but all right. So, what's going on here? Let me check it out, and we'll find out something. So I decided to go for Ruben. Ruben's Best Baltimore, or Baltimore's Best Ruben. Corned beef, sauerkraut, Russian dressing on rye with chips. But everything looks pretty good here. Never knew this was here. And this one's still not open. I think I'm just super early. And I'll check out the other stuff here momentarily. Oh, I may get a lemonade down there. And I'm going to get a lemonade from Main Squeeze. They have too many options, so a cherry lemonade. Got the Ruben. That's pretty thick. Look at how thick that is. And they gave me chips. Oh. And then I got from Main Squeeze a cherry lemonade. They have multiple flavors. I didn't know. I said cherry sounds good. That's a big drink for $5. Yummy, yummy. And the Ruben looks pretty delicious. So I want to open this, pick this up, and we're going to have some fun with it. First bite of the Ruben. All right, here we go. Really good. I do like it. There is a lot of corned beef. So, my first impression is that's a lot of corned beef. And the sauerkraut is very, very fresh. Still a little crispy, which is super cool. I like it. I mean, everything's fine. I mean, the dressing, the bread. Corned beef, Baltimore's best. Is that what it said? I forgot. You know, food trucks are independent, and those people that own those food trucks don't have medical insurance, probably. Don't have benefits. Don't have a retirement plan. So I support them. It's like local. You know what I mean? Support your local artist, local vendor, local restaurants, local stores. Very important to do that. Now more and more people are showing up. And the other 2 places that I pointed out are now open. The ones that were closed. Nah. The Main Squeeze lemonade, this giant cup of lemonade, for only $5. Let's check it out. Wow. Well, definitely worth $5. It is really sweet, but for $5 for this and $14 for that, and I gave a total $6 tip. Delicious. Well, I like to say until next time. Let's see if I can get some of these trucks in. Can I get them in? Some of them. See ya.